Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting update on the construction progress of Top Thrill 2. We're committed to keeping you in the loop with frequent updates until the ride is fully operational. Don't forget to give that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for every thrilling episode. It's been quite the turbulent stretch for Ohio's Lake Erie coast, as a series of powerful storms has wreaked havoc over the past few days. Tornadoes and flash floods have taken their toll, prompting the temporary shutdown of much of the Sandusky area. Unsurprisingly, this has had a direct impact on the progress of the highly anticipated Top Thrill 2 roller coaster. Despite the challenges, we managed to seize a brief window between thunderstorms to get an aerial glimpse of the construction site. However, the majority of it is now submerged due to the recent deluge. Our flight was cut short as yet another storm loomed on the horizon, forcing us to head back to port. With fingers crossed, we're hoping for clearer skies in the upcoming week, allowing the project to regain its momentum. Now, onto some positive news amidst the stormy updates. There's been a fresh delivery at the Breakers Express storage site. The shipment includes additional substantial support structures intended for the towering spike of the roller coaster. But that's not all. Something particularly intriguing caught our eye. We've managed to catch a glimpse of what seems to be a section of track designed for the spike. Upon closer examination, you can discern a subtle curvature, indicating that it's meant for the lower part of this exhilarating element. There's also some more track components situated on the far side of the lot, which could potentially be earmarked for the spike or even the station area. As always, we're going to keep a watchful eye on the project's progress and ensure you're promptly updated with any developments. That wraps up our latest report on the Top Thrill 2 construction and the latest shipment that's rolled in. Despite the challenges posed by Mother Nature, the excitement surrounding this coaster's completion remains unwavering. We hope you enjoyed today's Top Thrill 2 construction update. Remember to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on the progress of Top Thrill 2. And we'll see you next time on Lake Erie Lifestyles.